Tigrinya Alphabet, Fidel. In this chapter, we will study the labiovelars in Tigrinya. The labiovelars in the Tigrinya alphabet can be explained simply as two different letters that become one letter. The 5 labiovelars in Tigrinya are formed from the letters
K, 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 G.
Consequently, the labiovelars in the Tigrinya alphabet are
Q, 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 Q. Q, قلعة. Q, 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 Q.
We can see here that the labial velars in Tigrinya only have 5 rows instead of 7 like the other letters. Furthermore, in other words, they are not combined with the vowels U and O. Here is an example written with a labiovelar.
ቋንቋ ትግርኛ ቆ ቁ ቋ ቁ ቁ.
Let's look at how we put the marks.
ቆ ቁ ቋ ቁ ቁ. ኩ ኩይ ኩዋ ኩዌ ኩወ. ኹወ ኹይ ኹዋ ኹዌ ኹወ. ኳሕ ጒ ጓል ጒ ጒ ጓ ጒ ጓል ወዲ.
Please read the following letters as often as necessary to train your vocal cords. They are letters or sounds that only occur in Tigrinya, Tigra, and Amharic.
ቆ ቁ ቋ ቁ ቁ. ቆ ቁ ቋ ቁ ቁ. ኩ ኩይ ኳ ኩ ኩ. ኹ ኹይ ኹዋ ኹዌ ኹ. ጒ ጉይ ጓ ጉዬ ጉ.